Hey everyone! Today I want to share with you our Chenille hand towels. These are so soft and fun to rub. Kids love them. They're awesome.
And we sleep with them.
He sleeps with them. Him and his brother had to get some for Christmas to sleep with because they kept taking them off of the bathroom racks. These have got some amazing properties to them. One, they're a favorite because the kids can't rip them down, so your towels aren't always on the floor. And two, they have got back lock, so you're not going to get that stinky sour towel smell. And three, they are going to remove 99.9% of bacteria off of your hands. So even when you wash your hands, and we all know we don't get them perfectly clean, rubbing them in these towels, which are just fun to use, is going to help to remove anything that is left on your hands. And even better than that, because of the way that microfiber grabs and holds onto stuff, it is not going to cross-contaminate and get on the next person's hands who come in and wash their hands. So this, my little Ethan, he is going to show you how this works. All right, let me see this one, buddy. Okay, can you get your hands wet for me? Okay, we're gonna put some glow germ on his hands. All right, rub them together. All right, I'm gonna show you, put your hands out. His hands, oh, you gotta point them to the camera. There you go. You can see that his hands are glowing in the dark. All right, bud, whoops, sorry. Okay, go ahead and dry them on the top. Rub them good, get it all off of there. All right, show me your hands. Let's see if you got it all off. They look good? All right, hands look good. No more glowing. Okay, will you wash your hands again? Get them all wet, good and wet. All right, now I want you to dry them off again. Oh, did you dry them real good? Get them real good and dry. Dry them real good. All right, show me your hands. Yeah, there you go. We can see that his hands are not glowing in the dark, but our towel definitely is still glowing in the dark. So that is pretty fantastic to know that you can use these towels, at least no, you can use these towels and still have, it can just help to maintain the health in your home because you're not cross-contaminating. Okay, thanks buddy. If you decide you really want one of these Chenille hand towels, I am willing to send you one in your choice of color for free if you decide that you would like to do an easy text message party or a turbo 15-minute Facebook party. And either one is very easy for you as a hostess and super quick and easy for your friends. And as a bonus reward for doing a party with me, I will send you one of these beautiful Chenille hand towels for free. So just send me a message and which color you would like, and we'll get a party scheduled for you. And like I said, I can do a 15-minute Facebook party or just a text message party. Both of them are super, super easy and lots of fun. So let me know if you're interested in doing a party, and I hope you've enjoyed this demo on the Chenille hand towel. Bye-bye.